Hello and good day, kids. Metal, how are we doing today? It is Todd from Toju Racing. We're going to do a quick little unboxing here of this stuff from Carrera slots and a little surprise unboxing. Got a little Anthrax going there to get us warmed up. Any Neil Gaiman fans here? Please comment below if so. Neil Gaiman rocks. Great writer. Alright, we're doing this one old-fashioned style because I've been overworking my editor lately. So we're just going to do this one this way. All right, let's check this out first. This is from Ed Badansky, Ed Badessa. Hey, Ed. Thank you, Ed. Ed wanted to send something to Phoebe. So let's see what we get here, if I can get the box open. Boy, they put the glue on this pretty darn good. Okay. Oh. Phoebe, look at this. Thank you, Ed. Phoebe, you want a treat? Yeah. Ooh, she's gonna love these. Thank you so much, Ed. All right, back up. Back. No, back up. Sit. Stay. Oh, whoa. I'm having some trouble with this camera today. All right, there we go, son. Are you pretty? You pretty? Good. Sit. Come here. Shake. Good. Are you pretty? Yes. Stay. All right, let's do your trick. Wait. Wait. Get it. Oh, good girl. Sit. Good job. Let's see if you can do that again. Wait. Wait. Well, okay. She didn't wait. Come here. Sit. Now you wait this time, okay? All right. Wait. Wait. Oh, good try. Good try. All right, last one. Get it. Good girl. Wow, thank you, Ed. She really appreciates that. And then there's something here. Oh, right. Cool. Ed bought a shirt. Thank you, Ed. All right, so let's get to the meat of the potatoes here and unbox this Carrera slots box. There's a variety of stuff in here this time. And a new car for me that I've been waiting for since August of last year. My family told me to buy something for my birthday and sent me some money, so I picked up that. Oh yeah, I forgot I got another cool thing here. These guys are the best if you haven't worked with Carrera slots. So check this out first. Look at this. A Lego Pagani. 250 pieces. I got kind of excited about that. $249, close. So, since I love the Pagani, I'm like, I'm gonna grab that. It'll be fun to build. So that's cool. I might do a video of putting this together, I might not. If you guys would like to see it, please comment below, and maybe I will. All right. Here's the car, but guess what I'm gonna do to you guys? You know what I'm gonna do to you guys. There's gonna be a separate unboxing of this. So, you'll have to wait. All right, we got 3 Carson chips. One of these is for me, and 2 are for the Hat Man. For those, one's for the cop car, and one's for the Mercedes AMG. We're also going to use this other one to test with as well, so that's very cool. All right, then we got a whole little assortment of tires and stuff in here. I got these marked down. Then I picked up some of these teeny weeny magnets. I want to put like maybe one of these on the front of the F1 at the top, but I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But so yeah, we picked up some little magnets and then some various tires. I forget what these are for, but dang, those are big tires. Oh, I think these are for one of Dirty Dave's cars. So yeah, three sets of GT tires. The PG115 XMDs. So very cool. Bunch of different Paul Gauge tires, some Carrera chips, the Pagani, some little magnets from Professor Motor, and that is the lot of this shipment. So very cool, and so we might build that, and then we got, like I said, this car to unbox, which will be a separate video. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. That's all for this little quick unboxing. Old school, no intro. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on. Have a good day.